Hi everyone, today we're gonna solve this algebraic problem. Let's see, given a equals root of 3 plus root of 2. So we have to find the value of a cube plus 1 over a cube. How do we do? The value of a is root of 3 plus root of 2. And here we have 1 over a. So first we have to find out the value of 1 over a. Let's see. A equals root over 3 plus root over 2. So 1 over a equals 1 over, as a equals root over 3 plus root over 2. So we can write here root over 3 plus root over 2. Now what do we do? Now multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2 all over root 3 plus root 2 close bracket root 3 minus root 2. As we multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2, multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. Okay, so root 3 minus root 2 all over root 3. Here root 3 is root 3 as a and root 2 as b. Here also root 3 as a, root 2 as b. So the formula of a plus b times a minus b equals a square minus b square. We can write root 3 square minus root 2 square as a plus b times a minus b. Root 3 minus root 2 all over root and square gone off, root 2 and root and square gone off, so we have remain 3 minus 2. Root 3 minus root 2, if we subtract 2 from 3 it becomes 1. So we get 1 over a equals root 3 minus root 2. This is the value of 1 over a. As we finding for a cube plus 1 over a cube, we have to now add the value of a and the value of 1 over a. So a plus 1 over a equals, so the value of a root of 3 plus root of 2 plus the value of 1 over a equals root 3 minus root 2. So positive root 3 it becomes 2 root 3. Positive root 2 negative root 2 are gone off. So the value of a plus 1 over a equals 2 root of 3. Now we can find the value of a cube plus 1 over a cube by applying algebraic formula. So a cube plus 1 over a cube, we know a plus 1 by 1 over a all raised to cube minus 3 times a times 1 over a times a plus 1 over a. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. Like a cube plus b cube equals a plus b all raised to cube minus 3 a b times a plus b. Hope you understand. Okay, now substituting the value of a plus 1 over a equals 2 root of 3. 2 root of 3 whole cube minus 3 a and a cancel out. 3 times a plus 1 by a equals 2 root of 3. 2 root of 3. 2 cube. If we calculate 2 cube, it becomes 2 times 2 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. So it becomes 8. If we calculate root 3 cube, it becomes root 3 times root 3 equals 3 root 3. So times 3 root of 3 minus 3 times 2 equals 6 root 3. 8 times 3 equals 24 root 3 minus 6 root of 3. If we subtract 6 root of 3 from 24 root of 3, it becomes 18 root of 3. So this is our required answer of a cube plus 1 over a cube. Hope you understand. If you understood, please like, share and follow for more videos. Thank you.